This is fit for a 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab with a 5.5 foot bed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule BedRider, part number 822XTR. This is a 2-bicycle carrier for the bed of the pickup truck. No drilling is required, simply compresses into the bed rail for a very secure fit. Additional bike carriers can be added. It would be this part here, the BRLB2. Here you can see with this full-size mountain bike, there's plenty of extra space. Construction is primarily aluminum. And locking capability is included to lock both the bicycles to the rack as well as the rack to the bed of the truck. Adapters are also available for mountain bikes and other bikes that have through axles. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.